Welcome to OneTouch. This is OneTouch newly launched A4 Pro model. So I'm going to demonstrate. This is OU4 doorbell, 160-degree camera angle. This video door phone has 7 inches screen. You have 2 relay connection, one with the indoor, one with the doorbell. This indoor has got a memory extension of 512 GB. So you can even record your CCTV camera while viewing them. So as I can open the door.
The gate is open. Please come in. The door is open. Please come in.
So likewise, I will be able to operate 2 doors from this indoor monitor. Apart from that, monitoring all the CCTV cameras and my doorbell would be possible via this video door phone. It can do intercom from within the family members of different screens. Alarm management is also possible. 2 sensors alarm can be integrated. So you can set at home or you can set at leave home. Then we have general settings, DND option, screen off, SD card, and this has got a nice ambient light to notify you in case of fully dark room. So you can get access to the indoor unit. Thank you.